Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We will guide you through the way how to compress image file size in Microsoft Word. Without further ado, let's get started. Open your Microsoft Word. Then click the blank document to open a new page. Here we have added the image that we are going to compress the file size. To get started, click the image, then select the picture format in the top bar. And click the compress picture icon in the top right corner of the Adjust section. Now in the Compress Pictures window. The first two checkboxes configure the changes you can apply to all pictures or just select one, and delete the cropped areas of the pictures. While below the boxes are a series of options that allow you to choose what image quality you want to use or how much images are compressed. After selecting an option you prefer, select OK to save the changes, and you have now compressed an image file size in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.